road of my memory is crowded over many thoughts. But whenever you sneak on my witty mind, I become dispassionately passionate over the thoughts of our brief memories of March. I can recall those fascinating stories made of laughter and joy. Sometimes the penetrating silence fills up the corners of my room with desperation, hesitation, and exaltation of my feelings for you. Strangely, I have no memories with you. As we never cross the ocean of distance, despite being nearer to each other, still I can recall the sounds of your bicycle, as if it speaks to me whenever I'm alone, whenever I have no hurry. I really have no memories with you, but surely I have some memories of you. The downtown road of my memory is crowded over many thoughts, but whenever you sneak on my witty mind, I feel nervous, weak, and tragically incompetent. You don't pass by my home today. I don't hear the bicycle bells anymore, but some things will never be erased from the diary of my memory. What will I tell the cerise tree of my garden when he asks, when are you coming to see me? When he asks, for how long